Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add interactive 3D objects to Wix Studio. So let's get started. So if you want to add something like this to your Wix Studio, then I'm going to show you how. But first, you have to sign up. If you don't have an account yet, then go to wixsignup.com and then you can sign up using your email address, password, or you can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. The easiest way for me is Google account. Once you have your Wix account, then all you have to do is to create a new site right here. I have already my sites, pre-existing sites. So if I'm going to create one, I just have to click this and then I want to start with a blank canvas. But everything is up to you. You could also start with template. There are tons of templates in Wix Studio and all you have to do is to select one. But our tutorial is all about how to add interactive 3D objects to Wix Studio. So I'm going to show you how. I'm going to introduce you to Spline website, and all you have to do is to create an account. So go to spline.com and then click get started. So you can create an account using your Google or email account. Now they will ask you some questions such as what will you use Spline for? You can tap work, tap next. Okay, by myself, with my team, tap next. And then what's your occupation? You just have to answer this one. Then after that, the first thing you will see is this. They want you to upgrade your plan, but actually you can just do it later. Okay, and you can now proceed with the spline dashboard. This is what it looks like. Here you will see sample tutorials for how to create 3D. You can see here examples from their library. Okay, mini room. You can use this one if you want. So for this tutorial, we're going to use this cubic effect or 3D effect right here. On the left side, you will see this option such as if you want to upgrade your plan. So for this tutorial, we're going to select this cubic 3D effect right here. So tap this one. And then you have to look for the button remix. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can just simply expand this if you want. And in order to see some options here, you have to double click or click it again. And what you're going to do is you have to look for a remix button, which is this one right here. Tap this. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing your file. And here you can now edit your 3D effect. So this is what it looks like. This is the 3D effect that we're going to add to our Wix Studio. So to change the size, you can just simply go to size and then select responsive. Tap this one. And then you have to edit this frame. So you have to look for edit frame. Click this one right here. And this is what it looks like. So if I'm going to tap this X icon right here, then basically the 3D effect will become larger. It's like a large image of the 3D effect. So to change that, you just have to go to cubes and then go to scale, click lock, and then here you have to change this to 0.40. But actually you can change that one later, don't worry. So it's up to you if you want 0.40, 0.50. But since we're going to add this to our Wix Studio, I highly recommend or suggest to choose 0.40. And this is what it looks like. Now the next thing to do is to click export and then go to viewer. This URL right here or code, this is what we're going to copy later. But before that, go to play settings. And then we're going to do some changes here. For the main scene and camera, just leave it that way. For logo, if you don't want to include a logo to your Wix Studio, once you have added it, you need to upgrade your plan. But since this is just for tutorial, then I will just allow or I will just click yes because I will not upgrade my plan for now. But if you want, you can just upgrade your plan. For background color, just click hide. Page scroll and cursor, just leave it yes and default. For orbit, click no. For pan, click no. Zoom, click no. Soft orbit, click no. And then you can just leave this touch settings right here since you have selected the no option here. Now let's proceed to on hover. So you have to toggle this one on. And then for reset if, you can click no reset here. Now, if you want to change something or add more effects to your 3D, cubic effect, you can just simply, change the orbit limit. So for up, you can change this 15, bottom 15, right 15. And then to add more effects, again, you can toggle this one on. You can change everything here for zoom limits, animated, turntable, events behavior, materials compression, and so on. And that is if you want to add more effects to your 3D effect. Now, once you're done, you have to click Update Viewer. Okay, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is updating. Now, once done, you can now go back to your overview, and then this time you have to copy the code right here. Okay, so once done, overview, and then click copy. Now, once you have tap this one, or before you click this, you can review everything if it's correct, and then click copy. And after that, you have to go back to your Wix Studio. Now, this time, what you're going to do is you have to go to your blank canvas and then click the plus icon. Go to iframe, this one. And then what you're going to do here is you can now click enter code. You can resize this first if you want. Okay, or then change the position. Okay, and then after that, click enter code. And then what you're going to do next is you just have to simply paste the code right here. Let me refresh my internet first. Okay, paste it right here. And then after that, click update. Wait for a couple of seconds till you see the 3D effect right here. Okay, so it may take a little bit longer. It depends on your internet connection. So let me do it again. And this time you can see it now. So this is your 3D effect and you have added it already to your Wix account. As simple as that. Now you can just place it right here anywhere you want. If you think it's too small or if you think there's something wrong with the dimension or size, you can still go back to your spline and then you can edit everything there. So for example, if you want to change the size, you can just simply change it right here. Scale if you want to make it 0.5 or 50. And then if you want to change more, then just simply, change everything here and then go to export. But before you copy the code, you can go to play settings and change everything here if you want. Do always click this update viewer before you copy the code and then go back to your Wix, tap enter code, paste the code here, click update, and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to add interactive 3D objects to Wix Studio. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!